Sermon number 214. Prophet's nobility of descent. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I stand witness that He is just and does justice. He is the arbiter who decides between right and wrong. I also stand witness that Muhammad is His slave, His messenger and the chief of His creatures. Whenever Allah divided the line of descent, He put him in the better one. And therefore, no evildoer ever shared with him, nor was any vicious person his partner. Beware! Surely Allah, the Glorified, has provided for virtue those who are suited to it, for truth pillars that support it, and for obedience protection against deviation. In every matter of obedience you will find Allah, the Glorified's succor that will speak through tongues and accord firmness to hearts. It is sufficiency for those who seek sufficiency, and a cure for those who seek cure. The characteristics of the virtuous, whose guidance must be followed. Know that, certainly, those creatures of Allah who preserve His knowledge offer protection to those things which He desires to be protected and make His springs flow, for the benefit of others. They contact each other with friendliness and meet each other with affection. They drink water from cups that quench the thirst, and return from the watering places fully satiated. Misgiving does not affect them and backbiting does not gain ground with them. In this way Allah has tied their nature with good manners. Because of this they love each other, and meet each other. They have become superior, like seeds which are selected by taking some and throwing away others. This selection has distinguished them and the process of choosing has purified them. Therefore, men should secure honor by adopting these qualities. He should fear the day of doom before it arrives, and he should appreciate the shortness of his life and the shortness of his sojourn in the place of stay which has only to last for his changeover to the next place. He should therefore do something for his changeover and for the known stages of his departure. Blessed be he who possesses a virtuous heart, who obeys one who guides him, desists from him who takes to ruin, catches the path of safety with the help of him who provides him light, of guidance, and by obeying the leader who commands him. Hastens towards guidance before its doors are closed, gets open the door of repentance and removes their stain of sins. He has certainly been put on the right path and guided towards the straight road.